Welcome back to RevIO PSA University. In this video, you'll learn about our interactive help center and all the resources available to you to make learning PSA a breeze. The Help Center is located by clicking the question mark icon in the lower left corner of the screen. All of our documentation and training resources can be found here. At the top of the Help Center, you can search for documentation or training by typing a topic in the search box and clicking the magnifying glass icon to search. I'll type in notification here, and we can see what the search finds for us. Several search results populate, along with an AI-generated overview in many cases. Clicking any of the search results will open that item for you to reference. You can scroll through the article and find what you need. Clicking the export icon in the header of any article will open the article in our standalone documentation center. You can view the article there and use the page tree on the left to navigate to other related articles if desired. You can expand categories to see the individual articles in those categories. To exit when you're finished, simply close this tab in your browser to return to your PSA instance. All of our articles have some feedback icons at the bottom. Make sure to let us know if the documentation was helpful so we can continue to make sure we're providing what you need. Clicking the small back arrow at the left of the blue header area will take you back to the Help Center main menu. If you want to open the full standalone documentation center, clicking here will open the full site. You can search for articles from here as well. Or click any of the module buttons to open all documentation for that topic. You can view the articles in the page tree if you would like to view all articles available on a certain topic. This is a great option if you want to find a topic and read through all the documentation on that subject in a logical order. Again, to exit the Documentation Center site, simply close the tab on your browser. The Video Training Library is where you can access all available training videos on the product. There are categories to make it easy to find what you need. Videos will be listed under each category. Click on a title to open the video. The video will open in a pop-up screen over your PSA application for you to watch. To view the video in full screen mode, click the full screen icon in the lower corner of the video. To close the video, simply click the X on the top of the pop-up screen. Again, to get back to the main Help Center menu, click the small back arrow icon in the header. Another option to use is the interactive in-app product walkthrough library. Product walkthroughs are interactive guides you can use to assist you directly in the software by guiding you to the fields you need to complete, allowing you to fill in the data, and then creating that record right in your database. We have walkthroughs for things like creating a customer or creating a ticket, for instance. RevIO can walk you through the process and ensure the record is created correctly when you're just getting started. Simply click the walkthrough link and then click the Get Started button to begin creating the record. We'll even remind you to save the record at the end. You'll want to make sure you are keeping up with the latest updates to PSA by regularly reviewing our release notes. They are available here by clicking the Release Notes button. When new notes are published, you'll get a notification on the Help Center to make sure you don't miss anything. Click on any card to open the release details. Just scroll to read all the details and stay up to date. Need some help from the RevIO team or want to send us some feedback? Use the Send Feedback button either in the Help Center or at the top right corner of any screen. The feedback widget even allows you to add screenshots or a screen recording if you wish. Finally, you'll also notice tooltips throughout the system where you can get additional information about a screen or a field. Click the small information icon to open the tip. Tooltips can be articles, pop-up videos, or even offer you a tour of the page you're on, describing the screen and its fields in detail. To begin the interactive tour, just click the Take a Tour button. Each highlighted area of the tour will give you more detail about that item. Click the Next button to continue through the tour at your own pace. That's it for the Help Center resources. Thanks for watching. Make sure to visit the Help Center in RevIO PSA to access the video training library for more training videos. You can also search for articles on a topic or access our full suite of product documentation from there. Don't forget, we love to get your feedback. It helps us know if we are on track or not, so we can focus on the areas of the system you need the most help with. See you next time.